too skinny. I'm gonna start with my desk. So my desk is really dirty. So what I plan to do is put marble contact paper on top of it, take those drawers out, and paint it white, and take the hardware out and spray paint it rose gold. And I'm also gonna do the same thing with my bedside table. And then I'm gonna sort this out too, maybe get rid of some stuff, because I have a lot of empties, like, since I don't go to school anymore. This is gonna become a vanity desk.
Disgusting!
So I'm finally done painting it, but the thing is I kind of regret using actual paint. I wish I used spray paint instead, because it's really chalky. So I'm nearly done with my desk. I am in love with how it looks like. I'm very proud of myself. I did it all by myself. So I just got back home from dance and I literally did nothing towards my room except put the top drawer back in its shelf in what's now gonna be my art storage thing. But anyway, I'm gonna do that and I'm gonna sort out the mess that I showed you this morning. Oh yeah, and I got a haircut. So this is what it looks like so far. So I actually managed to sort out everything. So in this broken drawer, which literally just pulls up to there, I just put all my boxes of makeup that I thought was pretty. And I don't even know why I keep them, but I do. So my vanity desk is nearly done. So it's July now and I didn't like how I explained how I did this. I'm gonna do it again. So I managed to make this mirror for under £50 and it usually retails for like £200, at least from what I've like seen online and on other YouTubers videos. But anyway, the mirror was $25.99 from TK Maxx and you can get something a bit cheaper, but since I'm not allowed to drill holes into my wall, I had to pick a mirror that has a solid base so that it won't like fall. So to secure it to the wall, I just put some command strips behind it and just stuck it onto the wall, and it hasn't fallen yet and I hope it never does. But anyway, the lights themselves are from Amazon and they're really bright. But anyway, they come with an adhesive behind it and it's by 3M and they haven't fallen yet except for this one because I readjusted that one. So I guess if you don't want it to fall, map it out first before you like stick it on, which I didn't do. But yeah, yo, doesn't that look so pretty? So I'll leave the link for the lights in the description below, and it actually came really early because I got Amazon Prime, you know, got that free trial. Oh, also I found even more boxes. I have a box that's full of boxes of Kylie's lip kits, and like I don't think I needed it, but I'm gonna keep it anyway. It's the 24th of June and I actually got quite a lot done today. I cleared out my wardrobe and my chest of drawers so that I can put white contact paper over it. So then, you know, instead of it being wood, it would be white. And then I also cleared out my wardrobe and my chest of drawers so that I can put white contact paper over it. So then, you know, instead of it being wood, it would be white. So then, you know, instead of it being wood, it would be white. So then, you know, instead of it being wood, it would be white. So then, you know, instead of it being wood, it would be white. So then, you know, instead of it being wood, it would be white. So then, you know, instead of it being wood, it would be white. So then, you know, instead of it being wood, it would be white. So then, you know, instead of it being wood, it would be white. So then, you know, instead of it being wood, it would be white. So then, you know, instead of it being wood, it would be white. So then, you know, instead of it being wood, it would be white. So then, you know, instead of it being wood, it would be white. So then, you know, instead of it being wood, it would be white. So then, you know, instead of it being wood, it would be white. So then how some of the parts of my wardrobe came out. This one particular drawer, the right, nah bitch, the left door, it literally looks like how my forehead looked like when I was, I don't fucking know, 14 and going through puberty. It's literally so disgusting.
They are my Crocs.